We shall be comparing strategies for executing long-running jobs or tasks on an ASP.NET server. An example would be an MP3 extractor from, let's say, MP4 files, or we can say any AI, let's say any AI program which takes long time to execute, any request that takes long time to execute. The general flow is user fires a request, process starts on the remote server, and the process keeps sending updates back to the user, percentage or completion, etc. So all these requests, they are updates are being sent. There are three possible ways. One is signal or SSE, server sent events. In this case, you have a server and user 1, he fires a request and starts a process. User 2 fires a request, starts a process. This is okay, but if you have, let us say, 100 concurrent users, then you have 100 processes running on the server. So this is one big problem. It's not practical. It's not at all practical. So many parallel processes running on the server. So strategy 2 would be to keep a queue on your server. User 1 sends a request, a queue is maintained. User 2 adds his request to the queue, and then you have, we can say it's added to some database, and then there is some Windows or operating system service which picks a request from the database and adds the updates to the database, and then some sort of communication back to the users. So this is one way that was used practically it's possible, but it's very traditional. It was used earlier, but there are problems, there are difficulties. It's difficult to maintain two applications. One is your server and the other is your Windows service or whatever you have done. So this is okay, but then a more recommended way is the third strategy. I-hosted service and queue of background tasks is maintained. This is the recommended strategy. There is a server, ASP.NET server, and everything is in the same server program. There is a queue. This is a part of the program. Then there is a background service. All are a part of the program. Completion updates are passed through signal or again through the same program. So this is basically one program which maintains all the components. It's very practical and it is a recommended way of doing these things. I'll give a link to this official page of Microsoft. It's worth reading. A lot of information is given, background tasks with hosted services in ASP.NET Core. And in the future days, I'll just add a project. In fact, long time back, I had done a project on YouTube DL, but that is now discontinued by the YouTube DL people. So I'll have to rewrite another project which uses these I-hosted services, queued background tasks. This is very interesting for me also. So a lot is given, but it's not difficult. It's not difficult at all. It's very easy to do, and a very simple project is able to handle everything, and it works practically okay. So this sort of code is required. I'll add a project sometime later. So with this, I'll close it. Thank you.